Benefits of dual hose portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioners are incredibly handy to have. They save space in your home as well as hefty installation costs, while also keeping your whole family cool throughout the summer. Setting the exhaust system up couldn't be simpler, which is hugely beneficial to those who don't want the hassle of a lot of DIY work. But what about dual hose portable air conditioners? What are they, and what are the benefits of having a dual hose portable air conditioner? What is a dual hose portable air conditioner? The dual hose portable air conditioner is different from its single counterpart in that it has two separate exhaust hoses. One of these acts as the standard air exhaust hose, while the other takes in air from the outside. But why does it have two hoses in the first place? The exhaust hose gets rid of all the hot air created by the unit, keeping the indoor air cool and pushing that unwanted warmth outside. The second hose helps to cool the compressor within the portable AC unit, using outside air to keep things running smoothly and prevent overheating. While both a single and a dual portable air conditioner have cooling technology and features included in their design, the use of two hoses makes this a much more efficient process. Therefore, it's often worth the extra expense. What are the benefits of a dual hose portable air conditioner? We've already touched on the increased efficiency of a dual hose machine, allowing for the system to be cooled quickly and also saving money on your energy bill as less electricity is being used to keep it running throughout the day. It has a better life expectancy than the models with a single hose. This is because the single-hose portable air conditioners have a lot more unfiltered air going through them, leading to clogs and blockages that can ultimately lead to your portable air conditioner breaking down before its time. The dual-hose air conditioner works similarly to a central unit, which makes it a bargain for what it is as well as way more efficient and convenient. Additionally, its ability to remove allergens and pesky particles from the air makes it more beneficial to your health, especially for those who suffer from allergies. What are the downsides to a dual-hose portable air conditioner? The main disadvantage is the price, as it's a lot more expensive than a single-hose model because of the added functionality. However, it's worth the added expense for a portable air conditioner with all of the benefits in the previous system. Having an extra hose also means an additional window kit to make sure that they are filtering and operating correctly to keep the cool air flowing and the system itself cool. This can be a little fiddly, but it's worth it for a machine that has greater capabilities and versatility. To conclude, portable air conditioners are an absolute must for any home during the humid summer months. Choosing a dual-hose model might seem more expensive right off the bat, but you're getting a more efficient machine that is also likely to last a lot longer than a single-hose portable air conditioner. The disadvantages of a dual-hose machine are minimal when compared to the advantages of having one, so if you're going to pick one, make sure it comes with two hoses instead of one. Your energy bill will thank you.